called as transform. Now movement anyhow we know, like whenever we move the cursor over to the selection, it will turn into an arrow without tail mark and with a box, and this allows us to get it moved. But how to rotate the things and scale it up the things, this is what we are going to learn now. The topic now, how to make the selection to turn into transformations. Let us move to the software. Now give a right click and you can find a special option over here
Yes.
that is called transform selection. What happened on your screen? You can find there is a transform box pop-up. Can you able to see? Yes. This transform box allows us to do that two more event. Anyhow, we
Hello.
can. Yes. Does it okay, Ritvik?
Yes. Yes, I got a call. That's why.
Okay, okay, fine. So before event like movement, anyhow, when we are moving the thing over to this, then it allows us to move. Very nice. But the two things will get open now. That is called rotation and scaling. Let us move the cursor over to the edge of the box. So what you can see, a arrow is coming and which is changing the direction. The time the arrow is in the
Yes.
edge, it gives a two-sided direction. The time the cursor is in the corner, it get a directional diagonal things. And the time it
Yes.
is away from the box, it will show a V mark, which is visible in every side. But condition, it should not
Yes.
close to the box. Now we have
Okay.
seen how the cursor is changing and where which type of cursor are coming. If you move to the edge, double direction, either horizontal or vertical. But the time it goes to the corner, it is diagonal. So hope we have
Yes.
understood now how many cursors are coming with a transform box. So the transform box does have small box in the corners, in the center of the horizontal vertical, and here double direction mark, here double direction mark, but here angular mark, and here away in the zone V mark. So one, two, three type of one, two, three, four type of cursor are coming. So as per the cursor,
Yes.
the work is so. If it is moving over there, it can scale up. Can you see it is scaling this selection? Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Now the time it moves to the any corner, then two side scale up, horizontal as well as vertical.
Yes.
So this is only horizontal, this is only vertical, this is horizontal and vertical. Now the time it moves
Yes.
to the any edge away from the box, then V mark, then it start of rotating the things. Can you see? It
Okay.
start of rotating.
Yes.
Now got to know whenever the cursor is in V mark and we are trying to rotate, either we are away or inside, doesn't matter while rotating. But while getting this mark, it should be outside. But once we get it up, then we can move inside and rotate, or we can go outside and rotate. So hope we have understood now how to rotate the box
Yes.
and how to scale the selection. And the time we are
This will help.
rotating anything, and whenever we are making the transform box to get open, then the option bar will reflect a lot of mathematical informations. Nothing to get worry, it is there to help us. And here the angle will reflect, we can go to the zero, which is default. Fine. So hope we have understood now how to rotate and how to scale without measurement. But now we'll see how to do it with measurement. Is it clear the topic?
Yes.
Now, before going measurement, there are still some of the options are there which can be done with rotation and transformations or the scaling. Scaling is again of scaling is again of seven types scaling are there. We have done with one type of scaling. This is one direction scaling. Now, if you are holding the Alt button and dragging something, then two direction scaling happens. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, one direction scaling, drag, second Alt and drag. Then what happened? Two direction scaling, only dragging, only one direction. Now two direction. Now, if we are moving to this corner and dragging Alt, then what you can see both the direction, horizontal as well as vertical. So This is corner drag, two direction, but alt, then horizontal and vertical. Same alt, but not edge, but in the corner. Then horizontal also we can develop, and vertical also we can develop. But condition we need to drag on the edge. So hope three type of scaling we have done. Is it okay? Will I move to
Yes.
the next? Fourth type of scaling. What you are learning now? How to scale a selection and how many type of scaling is there? What are those? When they comes? Everything on your left hand. So let us go for next one. Hold the control button and drag the corner. What we have seen now?
Yes. 3D perspective.
1 point scaling. What is the button?
Yes.
Alt and control and drag. Okay. CTRL and drag from where? Not from edge, from the corner unit drag. Then what happens? 1 point scaling. 1 point scaling. Corner need to be done. Scale. Okay. 1 point scaling. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, along with your alt, if you are holding, along with your control, if you are holding the alt, then two side scaling happen.
Okay.
So now, fifth type of scaling. So we are scribbling, but it should be a fade note. Control plus alt. What happened then? And drag from where? From the corner only. Then what is the result? It will go two side, opposite side. It will go up. Control and alt. So hope it is clear. Next
Yes.
two button. If you are satisfied with the scaling, then press the enter. If not, press the escape. So no more two button. Enter to confirm, escape to discard. Alt ST. Hope it is clear. Now drag it up. If it is okay, press enter. If not, what is to be done? Escape button to be get hit up. Escape. Hope you know where is the escape button on your keyboard.
Yes.
Yes. On the left top corner, find the escape. Get it escape. Escape. Fine. Now the next keyboard shortcut. So how to activate this transform selection? By the right click and transform selection, or else what can be done? Go to the selection menu and ask for transform selection. Is it clear now? How to
Yes.
activate that? Now the third way of doing that. By the time you are hitting the alt button on your menu bar, a particular alphabet will get highlighted, and that is the keyboard shortcut for that particular menu. Can you see here? Selection is S. When it will come, whenever
Yes.
you are hitting the alt button, then a particular alphabet will get highlighted in all the menu bar. So S is the keyboard shortcut to get open the selection. And then here will be walking to the transform. Can you see T is the keyboard shortcut. So now we have understood how to activate this transform by Alt S T. So we'll get the transform box first. Then after, yes, we can do the event. So till now we have understood around 5 type of scaling. Now we'll go for 6th type of scaling. Hold the control without dragging the corner, we can drag the edge. Can you see what happened now?
Yes.
Get a skewing type of scaling with an angle. Skew. Where to hold? At the edge. With what button? Control. What happened? It skew the things. Once it
Yes.
confirm, then go for enter or else escape. So now note it down. Same control button. Here also the same control. But what is the difference here? Not in the edge, but not in the corner, but in the edge we need to drag. This is the place where you
Okay.
need to drag. Then what will happen? It will not only this edge, any edge you can hold. Then we can convert this into a angular scaling. Is it okay? You can go up
Yes.
and down. You can go left and right. So if left and right, it will be smaller. Up and down, then it will be long, stretchy towards the up. So hope we have understood now how to make the
Yes.
scaling in 6 different manners. Will I move to the seventh one
Yes.
now? So what we have seen, it is not only the tools or not only your present knowledge of dragging with your cursor, but left hand keyboard shortcut makes a major role. And Control Alt. Then we'll move now to the next level. Alt ST, get the transform box ready. Now hold the control and drag the corner. Hold the Alt and move to the what? Opposite side. Now along
Okay.
with your Alt and control, use the shift button. What happened now? It make a prospective scaling. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
It may be horizontal scaling, it may be vertical scaling, but it make a prospective scaling. So what is called
Yes.
perspective? It could be a question. Whenever the two parallel line meets in a particular point in the long journey, that is called prospectiveness. Is it clear? If the
Yes.
two parallel line will start up mixing, going on a further way, then it will meet on a point. Then that particular point is this one point perspective. This is one point meeting point. So now we have understood the next level of scaling. And what is that scaling? Prospective scaling. How it happens? Alt, Control, and Shift plus
Yes.
drag from where? From corner, right?
Yes.
Then only it will happen. So let's see once more. Alt S T. If you are holding here and doing all these things, then it doesn't matter. It doesn't make perspective. It make only parallelogram. But if you start up making it to drag from the corner, then yes, it will make a perspective things. Is it okay?
Screen perspective is gone.
Screen gun. Okay. So
Yes.
hope it is clear.
Yes.
Now on screen you can see Alt ST to get the transform box. Hold the control, Alt, Control, and Shift drag from the corner. Job is done. We can make a prospective scaling.
Yes.
Hope this much of things are clear. But same
Yes.
Alt, Control, and Shift, instead of making edge like corner, if you start off dragging to the control like edge part with this 3 button, then you can make a different level of parallelogram. So it is parallel but not prospective because edge thing are happening. So hope we have understood from the note.
Yes.
Okay, now the recording is going on, right? So yes, it is going. It make prospective scaling. The eighth is a variation of 7.1 only. Instead of dragging from the corner, we can drag from the edge. Plus drag from edge. Then it make a parallelogram. So it can make like this. So from the center, it was like before like this. Now it can be turn around and but parallel will be there. Horizontal lines and vertical lines will be always parallel. But here perspective. So hope we can able to understand what is called perspective and what is called parallel. Is it okay? If it is meeting on the corner,
Yes.
then it's perspective. Fine. So this much of technical theoretical knowledge we have learned. But what is the practical use of it? Am I right now? Theory okay, fine.
Yes.
But on the other,
Roads.
we go now practical using all these options. So let us see how to get it done.
Cubes. Roads.
Yes, we want to make a simple book design first. Alt S T, hold the control, press the enter, Give a right click, fill it up with a gray color. Now the same job, Alt S T, hold the control and get the other side of the book ready and fill the other color. So easy.
Yes.
How simplified way we can make the design. So making a book is ready. Now already we have learned subtraction. How to subtract? Hold the Alt button and subtract it. Is it clear?
Yes.
Give a right click and fill the color, gray color. Now again transform it, selection and drag from this edge. So what happened? We can see it is crossing over the before lines and now fill the other color. Which color? Maybe like black color. So you can see now how does a perspective look come up. Transform selection,
Yes.
drag it up here in this way. And we can make to get fill with the other color. It may be white color, it may be any predefined color we want. You can get it placed there. So hope we have seen now how to make a perspective look on the screen through the same option. It can be done now.
Yes.
Previous knowledge and present knowledge fused together to form.
Yes.
So what are the things we have learned, like how to scale? So let us see few more examples. Same box. But once you have drawn the box, again if you need to make the same box exactly in the same place, catch to the screen. One more extra option we'll be learning now. We
Okay.
can save this selection. What you can do? Save selection, like square.
Okay.
So that next time you won't need to make this similar square. You can make a square, but exactly same position we cannot able to make. So to to get rid of this problem, what we have done now, we have saved this selection. How to save the selection? Right click on the selection, switch to the save selection. Or else where it is inside the selection menu, you can find an option called save selection. You can write down your name, whatever you want, and save it up.
Yes.
Okay, why to save that we have understood. Now let us do the same event now. Fill it up of your choice color. Okay, gray, fine. Again transform it, switch to the other side. Okay, very nice. Press the enter, get it confirmed, and give the next color. What is the next color available? Like black color. Okay. Now we need to get the top part to be done. But it is difficult now. With this selection, if you drag like this, it will not match. Or you
Yes.
are doing anything, it is coming over here, but again set up here, then again match it up. It again takes time. So it take your professional time, deselect. At that time, what can be done? Already you have saved the selection. Now what is the time to
Yes.
come? Load the selection. So now we'll be learning the loading selection. Where it is inside the selection, load selection. Then it will show you all the selection, whatever we have saved. So exactly the same place it has come up. Now transform selection, hold the
Yes.
control button and drag it up and place onto the other side. Which button we are dragging? Control. Press the enter. All the theory has been given. Now fill it up. Choose your color directly from the screen. Get it okay. Job over. So what we have seen now, inside the same 2D software, how to generate a perspectiveness through the
Yes.
option load selection. So two more options we have learned today. Save
Save
selection,
selection and perspective.
load selection.
Okay.
Save selection, load selection. Where is this two option inside the software? Save and load is there
Right click
inside. Right click it is there,
and
right?
select.
And it is there in a
Select.
menu that is called selection menu.
Yes.
Menu. So the output we have done now, three examples, how to make a perspective design. How to make a book kind of design. how to make a 3D structures, right?
Yes.
So now in the next approach to the software, you can do a 3D kind of designs. How many 3D designs you can able to do? Let us check that. So what is to be done?
Okay.
What we have learned, in that we need to think. Don't think the design first. Then what will happen? The tool will not set you. And that happens generally to everyone. Because we start off thinking
Okay.
the design before, no, our tools knowledge and the thought process is not matching, and it make us struggle. So what you need to do, have a open thought. What I learn, what can be done with that? Reverse learning,
Okay.
reverse approach. So what I think, how I need to do, that generally brain does. And there strucks happen. But what I know, in that what I can do, there you'll not struck. Because you know what you know, and with that what can be done. Because
Okay.
brain always goes in other operates. That happens to me, all to the starters, it happens. Because brain thinks very fast. Am I right? No? Brain processor is very fast. Our tool is limited. Then the processor designed some things that doesn't happen. So what do we need to do? Get it reverse. What I know, in that what I can think. Then brain will think in this angle. So secondary, the brain is to think, not first. Brain is to say, think second with the tool he is learned. Okay, then it will not make you stop. It will make you stop because brain thinks very fastly, and we need to start thinking how I need to place that to form that. Then it takes time. Is it clear? So it is a approach thing. How we can able to approach to do the things without stop. And let us go for more higher options. Will I move
Yes.
now? Prospective designs is okay. Books okay. 3D design okay. Control. Now I'll move to rotate this selection. Saving loading is over. How to make the selection and rotate this selection. So let us take some practice size. Before the day we have learned, shift makes the accuracy, or else right click and make. Okay, fine. We have done the selection, very nice. With shift square, very nice. Transform selection, okay. Now let us move here with the presentation here. What is that presentation? Exactly 45-degree we want. Yes, rotate. Very nice. Now we know subtraction. Get it minus. Can you see
Yes.
how to make a
Yes.
triangle out of the rectangle tool? It is possible. Now within 10 minutes it will get off. Again you need to log in. So let us make the same rectangle. Fill the color. How to fill the color? Fill, enter. Hello.
Hello.
It is okay.
Yes.
Now switch to the transform 45-degree and fill it up with the same color. What we have seen now. How to make a star out of this. How to make
Yes.
a triangle out of this.
Did you do that 45 degree to rotate or?
How to rotate 45 degrees? This is the question.
Yes.
Give a right click, switch to the transform box. Then what happened? The option bar will show you all the options. Here there is the angle button. You can rotate it to 45 degrees. Is it clear now?
Okay. Yes.
So same tool. Now start with the strokes. Start with transformation. 45-degree. Get it fill with the strokes. Cancel. Stroke. So here we have seen now how to make open shapes. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Now you can see it is not only the rectangle, we can make millions of designs. What?
Yes.
Millions of designs. How many more design we are doing, that does matter. Give a right click. So now the task. Write down a task. Task of the day. Make different
Make
mathematical shape, shape by using rectangle marquee tool
Okay.
with transformation. With what?
Transforming.
Transformation. Rectangle tool with transformations. It may be start with a small rectangle, then slowly go to the square, fill the color and go on doing that. Make a triangle, right? Make a star. Now
Yes.
check right angle, transform, get it 45 degree and press the enter. Switch to the minus. Now make a diamond shape. Am I right? It can be done.
Yes.
Same rectangle tool. More we think, more we do.
Yes.
And now the upper color to be different, down color to be different. Then how to do? See, get it minus in the middle. Am I right? Minus in the middle.
Yes.
Fill the color first, then minus again. Again fill it up. But now go for other color. So hope we have understood now how to split it.
Yes.
Next, same job. I'm not teaching you more now. We'll stop on get it fill. Now Alt S T, get it 45 degree and press the enter. Now fill the white color rather than any other color, environment color. Then what I've seen, the triangles are created. Now get it transform and you can scale it down. How to scale? Yes, we have learned now
Yes.
by the dragging of the edge or else from the corner with Alt and Shift. If you're dragging, then you can scale down from all the side equally. Get it done. Switch to the option, fill it up and fill the color black. How to fill the color black? Fill, switch, black, done. So what you have seen now, how to make a pattern design. Is it clear? Is it okay?
Yes. Yes.
Fine then. So what are the options we have learned now? Transforming, rotating, scaling, failing. Will I move to a little higher? Tell.
Yes.
Now, how to make the whole canvas to get up? Control N, take a new file and get this whole thing select like this, or else you can switch to the option called Control A, it will select. Now, what you can do, transform selection, and we want to get it up. You can drag like this and come to the center, but where is center? Here, we don't know. So at that time, what can be done? There is a simple button over here, a reference point. Get the reference point to the left side and make this width to go for 50%. Then what happen? It will make it to get 50% off. And
Oh,
now fill the color with your required thing. And the job is done. So hope we have understood now how to scale the
yes.
things 50% from the left side, not from the center. Exactly the same way we can scale it from all the sides. So select all, give a right click, transform selection, and there is a simple button over here. Can you see? This is called locking button. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
And get this scrub here. You can see now the whole direction is getting scaled down. What you are doing now,
Yes.
get this button on and get this width and height to get scrub together. Condition this reference to be in the center. If it is on the side, then it will scale down from all this and it will go down like this. It will not change. And press the enter. And we can fill the color now. How to fill? Press the backspace or give a right click and switch to the fill and go for white color to fill up. So nice. Is it clear?
Yes.
Get it transform, get again lock and get again small. Press the enter. Now give a stroke. Where is the stroke button? Yes, right click stroke inside. So what you have seen now, how to make a simple design of a visiting card or brochure, anything, bounding box. Is it okay?
Yes.
That's it. Like I'll not make you more strain. So we'll stop today. I'll send you all this file. Now the task, no need to get login more. Why? Because we need to make design from your side now. Because a lot of options we have learned. Making stars, icons, triangles. How many shapes we are capable of making? 3D design, shape design, making a canvas design. So what we'll expect now, do the design and send me in the WhatsApp. So
Okay.
I'll send all the things now into your WhatsApp. Control C. So let me move into the,
I have one though.
yeah, tell me.
How to add text in Photoshop?
Text,
Yes.
text will be coming up. Here the text is there. We can click here and type, but we'll
When I'm
go and
trying to type, it is going some like it is going. It is acting like a shortcut.
okay. So we'll be coming in more details about that. Now I'm not touching. Just in the first tool itself, you can see there's many things can be done. So once you're doing this, then the confidence will come up. Am I right now?
Okay.
You can
Yes.
compromise and move up. The అయిపోయింది అలా చెప్పొచ్చు. కానీ you can see what is the benefit. So we are going a
Yes.
little depth, but you can find this means of output has to come up. Same rectangle only. All the logos and everything is the output of so. Fine then. So now the things will get stopped. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes.
Then will I stop now?
Hello.
Yes. I'm stopping now then.
Yes. Yes.
So I've sent off this and this recorded video is also going to be placed. I will send the link also. You can check it out. Yesterday I'll send you the link, right? You have seen that?
Yes.
Today also I'll send
Yes.
this link. Fine then, I'm stopping.